My name is Manuel Ferrera. I'm the technology coordinator for the Afton School District just outside of St. Louis. I think it's a process where it allows kids or students to look at a problem and understand all the elements that affect that problem. It's not just it's in isolation. There are other factors, and I think when kids can look at that and understand all those factors, they can then create solutions based on that. Not only is it just approaching a problem from different angles and understanding all the elements that affect that problem, but it's also important that we teach kids to work together and work on teams, in a diverse team, not just your friends and people you know, but to understand how you approach other people with different conversations and how you can be tactical in those conversations. The pushbacks that you get with trying to teach kind of some soft skills and some creative problem solving is how do you assess it? That gets very difficult for teachers. You want to put a number grade, you want to put a letter grade on something that's not very as tangible as like a worksheet or a test. So I think working with teachers and having them understand that it's the bigger picture that you're looking at, so their growth in creative problem solving is really what they should be looking at. It's kind of that move across that continuum where they started as very much a facilitator to moving away from the kids actually taking the control of themselves and you kind of stepping back even further at that point. You kind of just have to do it. You have to be one of those teachers that are just brave and you take that chance and you find people around you that are going to support you, because when you have that pushback coming from other teachers, it can be difficult. So you really got to work with other members within your organization that are going to support you and kind of motivate you and push you. There's really no other way than just to kind of do it. As an educator, we can't wait on administration sometimes to come up with these initiatives or see these initiatives 2-3 years after we already know about them or we already know about how to work with kids. There's just not enough time. There's just not time to wait. Like, you have to just jump in and do it.